Hello and welcome everybody to my channel. Today we are going to start with the first video in our tutorial JavaScript examples. And today we will learn how to create a random serial number generator by using JavaScript. And in this example we'll learn how to make the user input the number of digits he wants the serial number to be, and then we will generate it for the user. So with that said, let's jump right into the code. So here I have my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. First of all, we want an input for the user. We'll give it a placeholder. It will be how many? And then we want a button. This button will say just generate. Awesome. And then finally we want something to put our results in, which will be a paragraph or div or whatever, maybe a paragraph. And then in JavaScript we want to get those elements. So constant input document query selector paragraph, and then we want the button document dot query selector button, and then finally the paragraph document dot query selector the paragraph, and that's it. Now we have the elements we created in HTML. Now we have them in JavaScript. Awesome. Now the next step is we want two other variables. The first one will hold all possible values for every digit in that serial number. What are the possible values? Maybe from 0 to 9, maybe from A capital to Z capital, and maybe from A small to Z small. So let's create this variable, or in fact it will be constant. So const, maybe the digits equal all possible values from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and the lowercase of them, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. Now we have all possible values. The second variable is the serial itself, which will be initially empty. Awesome. Now what do we want to do? We want that when this button is clicked, so button dot, we will add an event listener click, and then in arrow function. Inside this arrow function, what do we want? First of all, we want a for loop to loop whatever the number of times the user wants, the number that the user will specify in the input. Okay, so for loop, it will start from 0 till whatever the user inputs. So, and then I plus plus. Okay, now what do we need? We need every loop, we need a random digit. From those possible digits, we need a random one. How could we do this? We need here a variable called, for example, rand. It will have math.floor, math.random by whatever the length of the digits. So digits dot length. So here every loop we will have a random number. So here math.random, which generates a random number from 0 to 1, and then we will multiply it by digits.length. Here digits.length. So what this code means, that I'll have a random number from whatever the digits length is. So every time we loop, we will have a random number from those digits. And then I said math.floor to make it an integer because it's float. Okay, awesome. Now we want to add this random number to the serial, so digits random. Okay, so what this means, I say every time or every loop we will add this random digit to the serial, and after this loop ends we want to say paragraph dot text content will equal this serial. Okay, I hope it will work. So let's say 10 and let's say generate. Oops, it didn't work. Okay, oh yeah, here we said paragraph. No, it's the inputs. Okay, awesome. I hope it will work now. 10, let's generate it. Voila, we have a 10-digit serial number. But you will see here, when we say generate again, it will generate it beside the first one. No, that's not what I want. I want the first one to be deleted and then the second one will be added. So whenever we click, we want the serial to be empty and we want the paragraph dot text content to be empty as well. Okay, now let's say, for example, this time 30 and generate. Here we created a random serial number generator with JavaScript. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any questions, you can ask in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.